They've got a lot to say. Even Ali's going. Yeah. She's been sitting on me like this now for about an hour and a half. I think Kermit's a little jealous. Got a lot of messages come through. He's telling him to go stop showing so much affection to each other. Okay, babe. So sweet. Before she was preening me and I was preening her. She was just preening my hand, like. Then all of a sudden Kermit flew over and landed on my head and started preening my head while she was down there doing my hand. She's gonna do it again. I love it. She doesn't perch on me. She lies on me. It's really weird. It's so warm as well. She starts as a perch, but then it moves her whole body down and it just becomes like a flat lying on. I love it though. Nothing else quite like it for me. It's so peaceful. What's the hell over yourself? That's you. Of course you know it's you. Why the bird looks that beautiful, eh? Yeah, you know it.